Hey, this is Don with Garage Doors Inc. I just wanted to show kind of what we do when it comes to design creation for our customers. We typically issue samples of material, but along with that, we do basic black and white line, two-dimensional CAD program design. So right now, I'm developing some pretty standard design, and I'll just sort of walk you through what our process is when it comes to their custom size, their specific design, and then just know any of this stuff can really be adjusted as needed, because we can just design change here, and then in production we can make whatever design happen. Obviously there are some limitations to operation and function, but for the most part, design wise, we can do whatever. We have standard dimensions for typical window separators or design aspects for trimming here between sections and panels. Typically a section is this horizontal piece here, which is we call the top section, and then there will be line breaks here below that demonstrate the section breaks of these other sections horizontally. And then these vertical pieces we call panels, and so there will be paneling through this one will have 1, 2, 3, 4 that we'll just basically do a copy and paste after we finish the design of this one. They basically wanted this very simple design, kind of a craftsman style shaker look. It's one we've done time before, and this is the starting point that they asked for, and if they want to make any changes, we can help them with that. We often change the color of specific lines so that they know what the difference is between like a real fine cut and a break in a section or a break in a seam of material. So these horizontal orange lines indicate section breaks, which is really a seam that in the closed position of the door, we won't be able to even see that. We lay out all the dimensions of material widths and thicknesses, and they can then, again, if there's some ability to manipulate or change some of those or desire to do so, we can. And we'll save it under their name, or if it's a specific design that we have, we'll save it a specific method for ourselves internally. And then we lay out a printout of this to be able to put onto a detail form that we have created, and we just call it our drawing. Use a template. Give it the details that it needs. call these our plantation or planta series sectional doors. And then put the customer details in there, and we were able to add this to our quote, and it shows the details of their specific design. Hope you enjoyed. Thanks.